Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Yesterday, we have done the exercise which is based on the concept of quadrilateral. Today, we will start exercise 5.8, which is based on the concept of polygons. So, first of all, polygon. What do you understand by the term polygon? So many times I have explained you the definition. Yes, Bhavesh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavesh, tell me, what do you
Ma'am, I'm
understand?
Bani.
You are Bani, yes. Bani, tell me, what do you understand by the term polygon?
Polygon is a four-sided closed figure made up of line segments.
It means three-sided closed figure is not a polygon. You are saying polygon is a four-sided. According to you, polygon is a four-sided figure made up of line segments. So what about three sides? What about three sides, बानी? फोर साइड्स को आप कह रहे हो पॉलीगन है, तो थ्री साइड्स वाला क्या होगा? What is the name of a three-sided figure?
Ma'am, polygon ही है.
Yes. So is this a definition? Is correct definition? Polygon is a four-sided figure made up of line segment.
Ma'am, no.
Then what is the correct definition? Tell me.
Polygon is a closed figure made up of line
Yes,
segments.
this is the definition. Polygon is a closed figure. So this is the definition. Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. This is the definition. If you will specifically say a four-sided figure, then the special name assigned quadrilateral. So in the family of polygon, we have so many parts. The first part is triangle. Triangle. Triangle is the first family member of the polygonal family. This is triangle is a three-sided polygon. Second, three-sided. Quadrilateral. Now, quadrilateral. Then we will say this is a four-sided polygon. Four-sided. Number third, pentagon. Pentagon. Five-sided. Then hexagon. Hexagon. Six-sided. Now heptagon or septagon. Nowadays we are using heptagon word. Heptagon. Heptagon. Seven-sided polygon. All are polygon. This polygon is a big family with so many family members. The first member of the polygonal family is triangle. The second member of the polygonal family is quadrilateral. And next is pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. Next, octagon. Eight-sided. Now, eight-sided figure. Now, what is the name of nine-sided figure? Nine-sided figure. Nonagon. 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 Nonagon is the name of the nine-sided polygon. And similarly, if you have 10 sides, then the name is decagon. Decagon. So nine-sided polygon is known as nonagon. and 10-sided polygon is known as decagon. And polygon with two conditions, I am saying again and again, a closed figure made up of line segments. If both the conditions are present, then we will say the given figure is a polygon. Otherwise, the figure is not a polygon. So these two conditions are compulsory: closed as well as made up of line segments. And quadrilateral is the member of this family. This is the family, big family with so many members. और ये फैमिली बेटा डेकागन पे फिनिश नहीं होती है, इसके आगे भी है. But in class 6 we will do only up to decagon. Now come to the second question from the exercise 5.8. Second question. Question number 2. This is the diagram. This is start. Draw and count side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 4? 4 sides. So what is the name of four-sided polygon? Yes, very good, Suhana. This is four-sided polygon and the name is quadrilateral. You will not write whenever the question is based on this is a which kind of polygon, then you will not write parallelogram, square or rhombus. You will write quadrilateral because the question is based on this is a which kind of polygon. So four sides, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So four sides means quadrilateral. Now come to the next. This is first, second. This is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the name of this polygon? Three-sided polygon. Very good response from all of you. So a triangle. The name of this polygon is a triangle. This is a triangle. Yes. So this is a triangle because of the three sides. And this is a quadrilateral. Quad means 4. Tri means 3. Now come to the next. C part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the name of a 5-sided polygon? Pentagon. 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 So 5-sided polygon is known as pentagon. Draw and count side by side. The next is fourth. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 corners and 8 sides. What is the name of this polygon? The name of this polygon is octagon. Octagon. Because of the 8 sides. Yes, very good response from all of you. Octagon. Now, one more question. Tell me the name of this polygon. I am going to draw. Look here. This is one extra question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So tell me, what is the name of this polygon? This is a closed figure made up of line segments. So this is a polygon with 9 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 corners means 9 sides. So the name of this is nonagon. Nonagon. So first of all, count the number of sides, count the number of corners and answer. 9 corners, these are corners, vertices, also known as vertices. 9 vertices means 9 sides, and 9-sided polygon is known as a nonagon. Now tell me, what is the name of this polygon? What is the name of this figure? What is the name of this figure? Yes. Observe this figure very, very carefully. Yes, very good, Suhana. This is not a polygon. ये polygon है ही नहीं. यहाँ से open है ये देखो. This is open. So made up of line segment. Made up of line segments. This is applicable, but this is a closed figure. Not applicable. So one condition is applicable, but the second condition fails here because this is a open figure. So this is not this figure. This figure is not a polygon. So observe the given figure very, very carefully, then give your answer. So this figure is not a polygon because this is made up of line segments, but this is not closed. After that, come to the third question. Question number 3. Yes, Kanav.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanav, what is the meaning of a regular hexagon? Because next question is based on regular hexagon. First of all, tell me, what do you understand by the term regular?
Regular examine sides.
Regular figures, yeah, regular polygons. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of regular? What are regular figures? You know? We have
Ma'am, with 6 sides.
We have already done this concept in chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. Regular, 6 side is a hexagon. I am talking about the meaning of regular figures or regular polygons. Regular figures are those figures in which you will observe all the sides and all the angles equal. This is the definition of regular. Bani, not only sides, angles also. If you are saying regular figures are those figures in which we have equal sides, then this definition is incomplete. The complete definition is regular figures are those figures in which we have all the sides and all the angles are equal, both. Again, like polygon, जैसे पॉलीगन के लिए हमें टू कंडीशंस चाहिए, लाइन सेगमेंट भी चाहिए और क्लोज्ड भी चाहिए. Similarly, for regular we have two conditions, all the sides equal as well as all the angles equal. अगर ये दोनों conditions हैं, then we will say the given figure is a regular figure. Now, tell me the name of one regular quadrilateral. Name of a regular quadrilateral. Regular quadrilateral means a quadrilateral in which sides are equal, angles are also equal. Yes, very good, Bani. Square. Square is the quadrilateral. Square किसकी फैमिली का है? Quadrilateral की फैमिली का. Square में all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So square is a regular quadrilateral. Yes. So this is. So name a regular quadrilateral. Square is a regular quadrilateral. Now, what about rhombus? What about rhombus? Rhombus is also from the quadrilateral family. But what about rhombus? This is regular or irregular? This is a regular figure or irregular figure? Harshia, your answer is incorrect. Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, rhombus is a regular figure.
Ma'am, no, because its sides are not equal.
In rhombus, all the four sides are equal.
Ma'am, but angles are not equal.
Yes, all the four sides are equal. But all the
Angles are not equal.
yes, angles are not equal. So sides are equal, angles are not equal. So this figure is not a regular figure because angles इसके equal नहीं है. मैंने आपको पहले बोला
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Regular figures are those figures in which both the conditions satisfied. One is sides भी equal होनी चाहिए. Second is angles भी equal होने चाहिए. But rhombus में sides तो equal हैं, but angles equal नहीं है.
नहीं है.
So you will write rhombus is
Not a
regular. An irregular.
irregular.
Irregular or not a regular figure. Both are the same thing. Rhombus is an irregular quadrilateral. या polygon. Both are correct. Either write quadrilateral, either write figure or write polygon. All are the same thing. So irregular. Irregular means not regular. Now come to the third question. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. अभी हमने किया रेगुलर मीन्स ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो रफ डायग्राम. रफ मीन्स आप वो साइड्स ये नहीं है छोटी बड़ी, इक्वल लगनी चाहिए. दिस इज हेक्सागन रेगुलर. Let us suppose this is made up by 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, again 4, 4 and 4. Assign the name A, B, C, D, E, F. 4 is not a compulsion. ये कंपल्शन नहीं है. आप किसी भी साइज का ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. मैंने इसको सपोज किया है भी मैंने किसका ड्रॉ किया है, इसको 4 सेंटीमीटर का. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कनेक्ट एनी 3 ऑफ इट्स वर्टिसेस. कनेक्ट एनी 3 ऑफ इट्स वर्टिसेस. लुक हियर. According to the question, connect any three. So I connected here A, F, B. Now what is the name of this triangle? Triangle A, F, B. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and what about this middle line? आपको क्या लग रहा है, ये लाइन 4 ही है या 4 से थोड़ी बड़ी है? Observe and tell me, this line is equal to 4 या bigger than 4? Not 4. बेटा ये आपको कहां से 4 लग रही है? 4 तो सिर्फ इतना है. ये देखो मार्कर जितना, ये देखो, और ये मार्कर से बड़ी हो गई. लुक हियर. ये आप अपनी चाहे कॉपी में बना के देख लेना. ये देखो, ये 4 सेंटीमीटर पूरा मार्कर है. लुक हियर, फुल मार्कर. बट ये मार्कर थोड़ी ना, ये तो इतनी बड़ी है. सो इन दिस ट्राइंगल 2 sides are equal, means this is an AFB is an isosceles triangle. Yes, isosceles. और ये ऐसा नहीं है भी मैंने 4 सेंटीमीटर लिए तो आइसोसेलेस आया है. टेक एनी. अगर आप 5 का बनाओगे तो भी आइसोसेलेस ही आएगा. 6 सेंटीमीटर का बनाओगे तो भी आइसोसेलेस ही आएगा. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट, विल नेवर चेंज. सो ड्रॉ एनी रेगुलर हेक्सागन. रेगुलर मीन्स in which all sides are equal, and join 3 vertices, any 3 vertices, any 3. No, it is not compulsion to join upper part. This is your wish. आप इसको चाहे ज्वाइन कर दो, इसको कर दो, तब भी आंसर आइसोसेलेस ही आएगा. आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. Write down. So this is the standard result, will never change. Now come to the next. Yes, Prerna.
मैम वो मैंने कहना था कि धन भी ऐड नहीं हो पा रही क्लास में.
Okay. So this is the way to solve the sum. This is the third question. Regular rough sketch means no need of compass. Only draw with the help of scale. This is the meaning of rough. Now come to the question number 4. Fourth question. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Now the question is based on again regular octagon. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of a octagon. आपने क्या करना है सबसे पहले? You will draw a octagon. Then in that octagon, inside, draw one rectangle. Look here. I am going to draw one octagon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now assign name. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now tell me. How can we form a rectangle in it? How can we form a rectangle in it? पुरंजे,
यस मैम।
बताओ बेटा इसमें रेक्टेंगल कैसे बनेगा?
रेक्टेंगल
इसने हमें बोला है रेक्टेंगल बनाओ, कैसे बनेगा? टेल मी। किसको किससे ज्वाइन कर दूं कि आपको रेक्टेंगल मिल जाएगा?
मैम एच को सी से और जी को डी से।
वेरी गुड. H to C and G to D, and you will get a yes. So this figure is a rectangle. Yes. How? By joining H to C and G to D. Yes. Very good. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ पूरंजे, सिर्फ ऐसे ही मिलेगा कि कोई और तरीका भी है? We have only single way. Okay, one more method is there. This is one rectangle by joining H to C and G to D. Na? This is single possibility here in octagon. Is this possibility is the single possibility to construct a rectangle inside? We have one more possibility. Look here. By joining A to F and by joining B to E. This is also a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. So we have two possibilities. Either join H to C or G to E, or join A to B or F to E. Both are the same thing. So when you join vertically, you will also get a rectangle. So discuss both the cases.
मैम
Yes. Yes,
मैम
yes.
मेरा ना मैम अभी नेट मैम मेरा मैम नेट अभी ना खराब हो गया था मैम, इसलिए ना मैम वो क्लास लेफ्ट हो गई।
कोई बात नहीं, नो इशू. नाउ इन एग्जाम अगर आपको ये बाय चांस क्वेश्चन आता है तो आपने दोनों केस डिस्कस करने हैं 2 बार बना के। ऑक्टागन दोनों बार बनाना है, हॉरिजॉन्टल वाली लाइन भी और ये वर्टिकल लाइन भी, बोथ द केसेस यू विल डिस्कस देयर। नाउ कम टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। A diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertices of the polygon, and it is not a side of the polygon. Diagonal is not the side of polygon. Diagonal is inside the polygon formed by joining opposite vertices. Now draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonals. Rough sketch of a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon, 5-sided figure. Assign the name A, B, C, D, E. Rishita,
Yes, ma'am.
Rishita, tell me any one diagonal from this figure. Diagonal. Diagonal is formed by joining opposite vertices. Opposite. Now tell me any one diagonal from this.
Ma'am, B and D.
बेटा B and D नहीं बोलना, B D. कभी भी and नहीं यूज करते। जब भी आप ये बोल रहे हो ना B and D, इसका मीनिंग पता क्या है? B is a point and D is a point. ये गलत है। हमेशा आपने बोलना है तो क्या बोलना है?
Okay, ma'am.
B D. You will
BD.
not use and नहीं यूज करना। and करने से तो B सिंगल हो गया, D सिंगल हो गया, और सिंगल का मीनिंग होता है पॉइंट। You will say BD. Yes, BD. So this is
Okay.
yes one diagonal. And नहीं यूज करना। This is BD. Yes, Suhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhana, tell me one more diagonal. One diagonal is BD now.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me, yes, tell me one
Ma'am,
more.
BE.
BE, yes, BE, because B and E both are opposite. BE, B to E. तो ये दोनों B से हो गए, ये दोनों किससे हो गए? B से। सिमिलरली E से, यहाँ से पहले हमने ये B किया, उसके बाद ये E से, EC, EC, yes, and then A to D, this is
CA.
yes. So
ADAC.
ADAC. So how many diagonals? 5 diagonals.
5.
Yes, 5 diagonals in a pentagon. If first of all from A. So all of you listen to me very very carefully. This is A to D, A to C. Because A E के साथ तो पहले से ही ज्वाइन है, E के साथ तो ये पहले से ही इन टच में है, and diagonal is formed by the opposite vertices, not next vertices. So join this A with D and A with C. So ADAC. After that E with B, E with B. So E with B, BE. Then like this cross X. One more time. I will draw here. Look. This is A, B, C, D, E. Now A to D, A to C, this. Then E to B, और inside ये cross X वाला ऐसे. So we have 5 diagonals. Name also. Mention all the name here and write we have 5 diagonals in total in a pentagon. So note down. Srishti. Rachit Goyal. Rachit, unmute yourself. Rachit, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.